Hey you guys, my name is James Diaz. Today we're going to learn how to play Shelter from the Storm from Bob Dylan. You're going to need a capo on the 2nd fret. Let's get started. The chords and the strumming pattern are very easy for this song. You're going to be playing the same 4 chords for the entire song. It's going to be a G to a D, a C to a G, and that's it. Those are the chords for the entire song. So, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. 'Twas in another lifetime, one with toil and blood. Blackness was a virtue, the road was filled with blood. I came in from the wilderness, a creature void of form. And then she said, I'll give you shelter from the storm. Those are all the chords. That is the strumming pattern that you need for this song. If you guys want to check out my guitar, the link is in the description below. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's made out of koa wood, which is pretty cool. I got elixir strings on the guitar, and it sounds really great. Check this out. That is the main reason that I bought this guitar. I walked into Guitar Center and I saw it and I was just like, man, it's beautiful. Picked it up, started playing it. I was like, man, it sounds beautiful. So I bought it. One of the cool things about a GS Mini is obviously that it is smaller. So check this out. Ow. This is a regular guitar. This is a Taylor GS Mini. It's a lot smaller. Look at that. Look at it. Size difference. You see that? Did you see that? Have you ever seen that before? This guitar is so nice. It's easier to play if you have smaller hands or chubby fingers or something like that because it is smaller. But it sounds amazing because Taylor is incredible. That's the reason why they're one of the best guitar creating companies on planet Earth. It's also electronic. I don't know if you care about that. You can plug it into an amp. I don't know if that means anything to you or not. Fun size, travel size. The Sabrina Carpenter of guitars. I got a bunch of other stuff down there. I got chords, interfaces, guitar picks, strings, my favorite guitar picks, microphones if you're into the singing and you want to make a cover or something, capos, all of that junk is in the description below. If you want to check it out, it's there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this helped you, and I will see you in another one.